Secheron Electrodes Pvt Limited. D&H Secheron is one of the leading welding manufacturers in India. Was founded on the 9th of September 1966. D&H Secheron is amongst the first to set up an independent R&D center attached to the main plant in N.P. 1967 Supratherme, a Supratherme-Ni 7018 class electrode unmatched in quality to date. 1969 D&H 45S, special electrodes for welding of galvanizing tanks. 1970 Supratherme, special, for -50°C used in the fabrication of heavy water towers. 1971 Supratherme-Ni, approved and used by NPCIL for -46°C for thermal cooling shields.